Want to turn your messy thoughts into a perfectly structured mind map in just seconds? What if you could let AI do the heavy lifting of brainstorming, organizing, and planning for you? Welcome back. Today, we are looking at Mindomo, an all-in-one collaborative mind map maker that's using AI to completely change how we brainstorm and plan projects. Whether you're a student, a creator, or managing a team, this tool is designed to simplify your planning. Let's dive into how it works and how you can use its AI features today. First, let's talk about what Mindomo actually is. Located at mindomo.com, this platform lets you create mind maps, concept maps, outlines, and even Gantt charts. It's been around for over 19 years. It's made in the EU, and it syncs across web, desktop, and mobile devices. But the real magic lies in its AI-powered features. Imagine you have a blank page and zero inspiration. With Mindomo's AI Brainstorm feature, you don't have to start from scratch. You simply type in a prompt of what you want to map out, and the AI generates a complete, structured diagram in a matter of seconds. Once your map is generated, you aren't left to do the rest of the work alone. Mindomo has a Refined with AI tool. With this, you can quickly select any topic and ask the AI to expand on it, adding extra subtopics, relevant questions, in-depth analyses, or clear explanations. It's like having a collaborative assistant right inside your canvas. Beyond AI, Mindomo is built for teamwork. It features real-time collaboration, so you can build ideas with others instantly. You can add notes, hold discussions without cluttering your visual space, use visual tags and filters to find things quickly, and even search and embed YouTube or Vimeo videos directly into your diagrams. If you are managing projects, you can easily drag and drop tasks, set dependencies, and track progress using their built-in Gantt charts. Now, let's talk about what users think. Mindomo boasts an outstanding 4.7-star rating from over 55,000 reviews across Google Play and the App Store. While our current research database doesn't have detailed individual user review breakdowns to highlight specific pros and cons, their long-standing history of over 19 years in the business suggests a highly stable and trusted platform. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can actually get started for free on their website. Head over to mindomo.com, sign up for a free account, and test out the AI mind mapping features for your next big project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments, what are you going to map out first? See you in the next video.